Hello, Division 3. Welcome to your next weekly calendar. So over here, I have just finalized what you will be doing this week. For math, as always, we have our math minutes. Make sure you're staying on top of the math log so that I can record it. Just so you know, just because you're not getting a comment back doesn't mean that I'm not looking at it. I'm keeping a chart of it, but there's no need for me to comment. Also, there we have the continue to do your math geometry weekly lessons. We are on to week 4. Grade 6s, you're going to be going over circles. Grade 7s, you're going to be going over cylinders and cones in regards to volume. You still have an optional mini math project, the last one, and you have one more week to do so if you want to do it. I also have language, arts, and socials. Last week I gave you a bit of a break and I didn't give you a lesson. I kind of gave you some supplementary activities if you were finished everything. I have posted the lesson number 2. As I have written over here, I said, please download and open the files first so you have all your materials ready. You might want to print them or you might want to have everything already to go. So I have included some clips for you, and I wrote to listen and hear the lesson. Please watch the videos. I also put the lesson on the side if you wanted to read it slowly. So altogether, you're going to have to take notes, complete the Venn diagram. I gave you other website links if you wanted extra information. And then you have to answer your reflection questions. So there are 2 templates. One of them is for typing. The other one is if you want to print and handwrite. Moving on, we have for science, we have our lesson on matter. I gave this to you guys last week, so you have to complete it by this week. Genius Hour, just continue to fill your report chart. I will be checking this next week, not this week. For ADST, I decided to give you one more week for this one. So if you're very behind, don't worry about it. I will give you more time. For gym, as always, please complete and track 3 weekly exercises. ELL students, you have your ELL activities, math minutes, geometry lessons, science, which is due, and then your Genius Hour ADST. That's about it. The other thing I wanted to say is I've had a lot of technical difficulties this week, so I apologize to all of you because you've had lots of mini videos. Honestly, it's very frustrating trying to film it. I had to do it about 15 times. I've tried different programs. Yeah, so I apologize. That's why there's lots of mini videos on YouTube, and that's why it looks longer than it is. And if anything, they're probably cut into more doable chunks. So that's about it. As always, I'm here if you have any questions. Yeah, so good luck this week.